Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're exploring a special offering designed for the younger set, the Bebe Splash Cologne for boys in a generous 25-ounce bottle. This cologne is crafted to be gentle, with a focus on being alcohol-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist-tested. Let's see if this product lives up to its promises. The Bebe Splash Cologne boasts an impressive set of features aimed at the sensitive skin of young boys. Its alcohol-free formula is particularly noteworthy, ensuring that it won't irritate delicate skin. The hypoallergenic nature of this cologne further underscores its suitability for children, minimizing the risk of allergic reactions. Dermatologist testing adds an extra layer of assurance, indicating that the product has been evaluated for safety and skin compatibility. In terms of usage, the Bebe Splash Cologne is straightforward. The application process is as simple as spritzing, and its gentle formula means it's easy on the skin. The cologne has a light, pleasant fragrance that doesn't overwhelm, making it an ideal choice for everyday wear. The generous 25-ounce bottle offers great value and ensures that you're well stocked for a long time. Performance-wise, this cologne delivers a subtle, clean scent that's perfect for boys. It doesn't linger excessively, which is ideal for those who prefer a more understated fragrance. The alcohol-free formula is a clear highlight, as it prevents the stinging or dryness often associated with traditional colognes. In real-world use, this cologne holds up well throughout the day, though it may require reapplication for longer-lasting fragrance. When considering pros and cons, the Bebe Splash Cologne shines with its gentle formula and value for money. The alcohol-free and hypoallergenic properties are significant advantages, particularly for those with sensitive skin. However, the subtle scent may not appeal to those looking for a stronger fragrance profile. Additionally, while the 25-ounce bottle is a great size, it might be more than some parents need, depending on usage frequency. Comparatively, this cologne stands out in its category due to its alcohol-free formulation, setting it apart from many other products that may contain alcohol and potentially irritate the skin. For those seeking alternatives, you might consider options like the Beautyistic cologne, which also offers a gentle alcohol-free formula, albeit in a smaller size. In terms of value for money, the Bebe Splash Cologne is an excellent choice. Its large size and thoughtful formulation make it a cost-effective option for parents looking to invest in a safe, everyday cologne for their children. The quality of the product is high, and the price point is reasonable, making it a solid investment for those prioritizing skin safety and comfort. The build quality of the product is impressive, with sturdy packaging that ensures durability. The cologne itself has been crafted with care, reflecting its dermatologist-tested claim. There are no notable design flaws or issues with the materials used, which adds to the overall reliability of the product. User-friendliness is another strong suit of this cologne. Its simple application process and non-irritating formula make it easy for both parents and children to use. The light scent is not overpowering, which contributes to a positive user experience. Customer support for Bebe has been noted for its responsiveness and helpfulness, though interactions are generally limited since this is a straightforward product with few issues. Real-world testing revealed that the cologne performs well in various scenarios, from school days to casual outings. Its ability to provide a fresh scent without the drawbacks of alcohol is a notable benefit, making it a reliable choice for daily use. As of the latest updates, there haven't been any significant changes or new versions of this cologne, so what you see is what you get with this product. In summary, the Bebe Splash Cologne for boys is a solid choice for parents seeking a gentle, alcohol-free fragrance option. It's well suited for children with sensitive skin and offers excellent value for its price. If you're in the market for a similar product but are looking for something with a stronger scent or different size options, alternatives like Beautyistic might be worth exploring. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Your support helps us bring more reviews and keeps you in the loop with the best products on the market. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Para-Me Baby Splash Cologne in the description box below. Feel free to leave your questions or share your experiences with this product in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think or if you have any other product recommendations.